Amor Fati, embracing your fate. Welcome to Stoic Path, where we explore timeless wisdom for modern living. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and liberating concepts in Stoicism, Amor Fati, or the love of one's fate. Imagine a life where, instead of fighting against the challenges and adversities you face, you embrace them wholeheartedly. Not just accept them, but love them as necessary parts of your journey. This is Amor Fati. But what does it truly mean to love your fate, and how can we apply this ancient principle in our daily lives? Friedrich Nietzsche popularized this term when he said, "I want to learn more and more, to see as beautiful what is necessary in things. Then I shall be one of those who makes things beautiful, Amor Fati. Let that be my love henceforth." But even before Nietzsche, the Stoics taught this powerful idea. Amor Fati is about embracing everything that happens to us, the joys, the sorrows, the successes, and the failures, as essential to our journey. The Stoics, especially Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, believed that fate, the unfolding of events outside our control, was neither inherently good nor bad. Instead, how we respond to it determines our peace of mind. In Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, he wrote, "Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart." Let's put this in perspective. Imagine a situation where you're passed over for a promotion at work, or perhaps a project you've poured your heart into fails. Our natural instinct is to feel frustrated, upset, or even defeated. But practicing Amor Fati invites us to shift our mindset. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" you ask, "What can I learn from this? How can this make me stronger?" To practice Amor Fati, we must begin by recognizing that every experience, no matter how difficult, is an opportunity for growth. When something unexpected or challenging happens, rather than resisting or feeling defeated, we embrace it as part of the grand design of our lives. It's not about passivity, but about transforming adversity into fuel for our personal development. So, in your own life, how can you start practicing Amor Fati? Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Reframe the situation. Whenever you face a challenge, immediately pause and ask yourself, how can I use this? What lesson can I take from this moment? This shift in mindset helps you see obstacles not as setbacks, but as stepping stones. Step 2. Embrace discomfort. The Stoics often introduced voluntary discomfort into their lives, whether through fasting, cold exposure, or going without luxuries. This strengthens your ability to endure difficulties and love the process of overcoming them. Step 3. Practice gratitude for everything. Even when things don't go your way, find something to be thankful for. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positives and teaches you to see life's adversities as gifts. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Amor Fati is not about surrendering to life's challenges. It's about using them to your advantage. It's about realizing that every twist and turn in your journey is essential to your growth. When you learn to love your fate, you free yourself from the chains of resistance and open yourself to the full experience of life. So, the next time life throws you an unexpected challenge, instead of resisting it, welcome it with open arms. Know that this too is part of your journey, and with Amor Fati, you can find meaning, strength, and peace in every situation. Thank you for watching, and if you found value in this video, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's continue this journey of Stoic wisdom together. Until next time, embrace your fate with love and live with purpose.